Hi everyone, I'm Yossi, Head of Product Communications at Odoo, and welcome back to another episode of Odoo's Tips and Tricks. We have some exciting videos dedicated to developers who want a brief introduction to developing in the Odoo environment. What tools does Odoo offer for customizing and development? Well, wonder no longer, as we are going to take a look at how flexible Odoo is for your projects and the tools available for you to get the most out of your software. For today's topic, we are starting off with an app many of you may not be aware of, and that is the Odoo Studio App. If writing lines of code isn't for you, don't fret. Odoo has made it easy to create simple customizations with simply using the Odoo Studio App. But what is the Studio App, you may ask? Well, let's hop right onto it and learn more about it. But before we begin, I want to express that even though we are going to take a closer look at the application in two separate videos, we have created much longer, in-depth video offering a more comprehensive look at this powerful tool. So without further ado, let's get to it. Odoo Studio is an intuitive, user-friendly app builder with drag and drop blocks, making creating apps easy with or without developer skills. Not only that, but you can also use Studio to add custom fields and create custom reports. We are going to focus our talk on these two features today, and next time we are going to create an app from scratch. Odoo Studio allows you to build your own applications without needing to have any coding knowledge. This is great for those of you with zero to limited knowledge of writing code. It can also be used completely as a standalone application or also as part of your business suite on your Odoo database. You can design the apps you want in minutes rather than weeks. Let's hop on quickly to my database to show you the Studio app and wet the palette a bit for adding a custom field. So here we see the Studio icon on the upper right-hand side of my screen represented by tools. I am now going to find my invoice form and I'm looking to add a few custom fields. In this case, I want to add a delivery date and a customer ID number. As you can see, my invoice doesn't have a place to add this information. However, with the help of the Studio app, I am going to create these new fields on the fly. So I'm opening up my application and I see all of the custom blocks on the left-hand side. And I'm simply going to look for date that I'm going to add, as well as a new field for my customer ID number. And voila. Here I have added these two new fields very quickly. I am now going back to my invoice and can easily add this information that I have just created. Now, for those techies out there, the app also comes with a developer mode that has extra features dedicated specifically to developers. It has XML editor, technical features, and more. Naturally, we can talk for hours about how powerful the Odoo Studio application truly is. However, if this video has piqued your interest and you would like to learn more about Studio, please get in touch with us directly or with one of our business analysts who will be more than happy to help assess your needs further. Tune in next time where we're going to be exploring the second part of Odoo Studio and create an application from scratch. As always, thank you all for tuning in today, and remember to like and follow us to get the latest videos and content on all things Odoo. Stay healthy out there and do it all.